All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Pepe family. Appreciate you guys as always, but without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Pepe. So Wednesday started off on a really positive note. You guys can see Pepe is up 9.2%, but the broader market is also up right now. But in terms of the big boys, what I mean by the big boys is, the top valuation projects as far as meme coins are concerned, Pepe is leading, and it's leading the game. And it tells you everything you need to know in terms of the momentum that we've been speaking about for the past 1 year. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at Pepe, it's picking up steam, and it's picking up steam really, really fast. Currently sitting at 1995, still about 4 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting about 9.6% in USD and about 4.9% in Bitcoin, compared to seeing a little bit of a lag in ETH because of the fact that Ethereum is actually pumping right now. Market cap at about $8.4 billion in the 24-hour trading volume at about $3.5 billion. A lot of people speculating whether or not this is a chance for the price of altcoins to actually start popping off because of the fact that Ethereum is moving. Usually, historically speaking, when Ethereum hits all-time highs, you do tend to see altcoins going crazy. So are we about to see history actually repeating itself? We'll see, but Ethereum is moving fast, and it's moving quite fast, and a lot of people have their eyes on it. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. 330.7K holders currently, as of recording this update. Holder count increasing day by day for our good old friend Pepe. Does not come as any big surprise to any one of us at this point. But I want you guys to really analyze the broader meme coin market. If you're looking at the broader meme coin market and looking at the top 10 meme coins, tells you everything you need to know in terms of the game. It's up 9.3% in the last 24 hours. And again, if you are focusing on Bitcoin dominance, I'm sure if you follow the channel, you guys know the significance of the Bitcoin dominance index. But you are seeing Pepe moving up fast, guys. 9.2% is not a small move by any means for Pepe. And that is thanks to the dominance continuing to pull down. And is this kind of having a little bit of a correlation with the Ethereum move that we're seeing? Possibly, but I'm going to keep you guys covered. Obviously, we have seen it in the past that dominance picks up quite fast, but this time around, especially over the last 4 to 5 days, I haven't seen the dominance budge based off of what we have seen with Bitcoin, which is really, really interesting to see, and I have not seen that before. So we're gonna keep you guys covered. Obviously, keep an eye out on Bitcoin as well. But what a great day if you are a Pepe holder. I'm sure you guys are not complaining. And Bitcoin, on the other hand, started off on a really positive note. We made our way up to $97,344. Some level that I've been speaking about over the last 48 hours on this channel, after we did pull down to the likes of $90,000. This 96K is a key resistance and a confirmation that I have set for myself. I really would like to see the price sitting above there before me being confident that we could potentially set a new all-time high. And we did come up to that level. You guys can see we almost came up to $97,300. Since then, saw a little bit of a pullback, which is obviously normal and being supported by some level, but I would love to see a 96K close, which would give me big indication that we could actually see things turning around for the market in this upcoming few weeks ahead of us. But so far so good. As far as Bitcoin price is concerned, Bitcoin is looking amazing. As far as dominance is concerned, dominance is looking amazing. So if you're a meme coin holder, if you're a altcoin holder, this is what you want to see happen right now. But let's take a closer look at our good old friend Pepe. So of course we're gonna make this full, and here we are, guys. Pepe is making some very, very interesting moves. So first and foremost, I want you guys to look at this. What did I tell you? If you've been watching this channel, if you watch my Pepe updates on a day-to-day basis, there's one specific thing that I was telling you guys about. I was telling you guys about if we lost the support around the 1894 zone, the previous all-time high from May will be a support. And guess what? We literally touched at the neckline of that support itself, and that obviously came as a support, and we have seen a bounce since then. Beautiful, beautiful to see. And yet again, we speak about confirmations on this channel on a day-to-day basis. Yet again, that is a major, major confirmation for myself in terms of the support itself. And again, anyone can learn this. Obviously, it takes time to learn this, but I know people are going to be like, "Oh, Crypto ZX, you call this, and that." And I actually saw some comments coming in regarding that. But like I said, it's not rocket science. It takes time to kind of look at it. And also, one thing I would love to talk about to you guys in this specific scenario is you gotta let the emotions. You cannot let the emotions get the best of you, because once you do that, then your brain starts making unrealistic moves, and you just forget about the realistic outcome. And in this specific case, a realistic outcome was, if things were to turn around, we were going to see that retest, and that was the major support. And you can't make it up. We literally saw that support, obviously coming as a major support, and we have seen a little bit of a bounce since then, thanks to Bitcoin. But we're going to focus on the hourly time frame to really show you guys what's happening. So if you had some buy orders like for dollar cost averaging into Pepe at that previous support, and you're obviously sorry, if your orders got filled, see, I can't speak right now, you are up right now about 13% on Pepe. But of course, we do have significant, and I repeat, significant amount of resistance based off of the new all-time high that we set for ourselves. If this resistance is able to break out, I think, Pepe could make its way up to the 22 zone quite fast. And again, that would be a move of a 12.46%. So you're pretty much where we left off of. We can reclaim back those levels really fast if we're able to break out of this key resistance. But I'm really liking this pattern. And again, if you were to zoom in a little bit, you can kind of see after hitting an all-time high, Pepe is doing exactly what you want to see a project do after they explode the way Pepe has. And in terms of, interest from retail and investors, it's definitely there. The holder count speaks for itself. The volume speaks for itself. Forget about everything. Look at the 24-hour trading volume day in, day out. It has been outpacing the likes of its biggest competitors. And as I've stated to you guys from before, from the beginning, Pepe is coming for Shiba Inu. And again, this is based off of my own personal opinion. A lot of people are starting to see the same thing. But I've been calling potential of Pepe taking over Shiba Inu for almost a year. We're not talking recently. We're talking almost a year. Because let's face it, Shiba Inu is great and all that, but in terms of that new feeling, a fresh feeling, that's what Pepe brings. A brand new narrative, frog coin, something that we have not seen before, and the derivatives of Pepe are launching everywhere. So you can really see the potential that it has. And liquidity was a question that a lot of people had. The big exchanges, like the major fiat gateways like Robinhood, like Coinbase, well, they're on board, but Binance is on board. So in terms of liquidity is not an issue. So if you kind of factor everything in there and speculate based off of that, you can kind of see, hold on, if you kind of comparing it to the likes of our good old friend, Shiba Inu from the previous cycle, things don't look too unrealistic. But again, we're going to keep you guys covered on a day-to-day basis. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button and come join the Crypto ZX army. Love you all. I will see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.